Good morning. It's Wednesday morning, May 20th, here in beautiful Greenwood, where we've had like 15 inches of rain this month so far, maybe 20. And I'm here at Vast Grass Creek, looking into downtown Greenwood. I'm over by First National Bank, where the bridge on the east side of town is. And I'm on the walking trail. Let me unzoom. I'm on the walking trail, and you can see that the trail ends into the overflowing Vast Grass Creek. You walk up this way, and I'm going to come up to a picnic table. That is totally submerged. Well, not totally. You can see only the tabletop. But poor little Greenwood is underwater, or at least this part of it. The frogs are jumping into the water. It's a whole new ecosystem here, and I'm glad I stopped walking. I wasn't watching where I was going, but the roadway is flooded over here too. When I first pulled up, I could hear cows mooing from over in that direction, and I don't know if they're stranded or not. Anyway, there's beautiful little Greenwood. Bye-bye. I've continued on to Mom's. I'm going to invite her to go grocery shopping with me. Good morning, Mother.
Good morning, dear. How are you?
Good. I'm filming you.
Oh, you are.
Yeah, and there's Angel.
Am I going to be a star?
You're going to be a star, just like on your door.
I need a new battery.
Need a new battery.
Yep.
You want to go to the store with me?
Nope. I can get up and walk and turn it off.
Good for you. Hi, give me a hug.
Oh, all right. Boy,
I shaved.
you really got a haircut, didn't you?
I redid my haircut. I don't know.
Matter of fact, I think your beard's longer than your hair.
It might be. Angel's awake.
Yeah. She heard you.
Hi, Angel. Hi, little girl.
Oh, she just gets so excited.
I'd like to take you grocery shopping with me.
Are you going grocery shopping?
Yeah, up in Fort Smith.
Oh, I don't want to go for it.
They don't have the selection you need down here.
Well, I'm sorry.
Where'd all your, you did have pictures in there. Did you rearrange?
No,
No?
there was something up there I forgot.
I thought you had pictures.
No, I don't guess I did. Because I don't see any sitting around. So.
Well, you look good. That's a nice outfit. Haven't seen you wear those before.
Oh, I had been
Hi,
partying
Angel.
this morning.
Partying?
Yep.
What's the occasion? Hi, Angel.
Well, we do this every, what is it? What day is it?
Today is the 20th.
No, day.
Wednesday.
Day.
Wednesday, May 20th.
Well, anyway, we had...
Holiday? What holiday is it? Memorial Day's coming up.
I know that Memorial Day is coming up. But no, we had somebody this morning, and I was
Did you?
meeting all day and
Oh, that's cool.
singing and what have you. So,
Alrighty.
so how are you?
I'm good.
Good. You're looking good.
Wave hi to the world.
Hello, world.
Okay. Yeah, I've already got 5 minutes on this video, so I'm going to cut it. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.